Hi again, it's James from Pasal English, and today we are going to look at a very common mistake when it comes to meeting people. So let me ask you a question. If I was to say to you, "Hi, how are you?" what would your response be? Let me guess. Would it be something like this?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
If the answer to that is yes, this is one of the common mistakes we come across when we speak English and meet people. Well, the English is okay with this, there's nothing wrong with the English. However, where I'm from, and maybe in America too, this is slightly strange and maybe a little bit formal. So let me give you a few examples now of how you can respond to the question, "How are you?" in a more natural way. So firstly, you can say, "I'm great, what about yourself?" Or you could say, "I'm okay, you?" You can try, "I'm fine, you?" Or you could try, "I'm not so good, how are you?" Or you just need to replace the question, "How are you?" with these. "What's up? How's it going? You alright? How are you doing?" So if somebody asks you, "What's up?" you could reply, "Not much." If somebody asks you, "How's it going?" you could respond, "It's going fine." If somebody asks you, "How are you doing?" you could reply, "I'm doing great." And if somebody asks, "You alright?" you could reply, "Yeah, I'm alright." And that's the end of our video today. So if you really liked what you saw in the video, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe right here. Thank you. Bye.